Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Google account and open Classroom. Google, com in a browser. Use the 9-dot app launcher or the Classroom mobile app to reach classes. Look for the class tile you want to archive on the main page. Hover over or tap the 3-dot menu on the class tile to reveal options. Choose Archive from the menu to begin the process and confirm when prompted. Archiving preserves materials and student work while hiding the class from your main view. Open the class you want to archive and click the 3-dot menu at top. Tap or click Archive from the menu to start the confirmed action. A prompt asks you to confirm archiving before it proceeds. Accept to continue. The class moves to an archived classes list and disappears from your active classes. Student work and teacher materials remain available in read-only mode after archiving. You can restore the class later if you need to continue using it. Open the main menu in Google Classroom and select Archived Classes to view them. Find the archived class you want to manage from the archived list of tiles. To restore a class, open it, click the 3-dot menu, and select Restore to reactivate it. Restored classes return to your active classes list with student work preserved. To permanently remove a class, choose Delete from the archived menu, but note this action is irreversible. Use Restore to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.